The 2026 Jeep Wrangler introduces significant updates that reshape both daily driving comfort and legendary off-road reputation. For those deciding between purchasing a current model or waiting for next year's version, these 7 differences show exactly what you're gaining or losing. Let's go. Number 7. Revolutionary transmission. For 4xe models, the hybrid Wrangler is getting a complete transmission overhaul. Jeep replaces the current 8HHP 75PH unit with ZF's advanced 8HHP 80P H8-speed automatic transmission. The new transmission's electric motor produces 215 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, compared to the outgoing system's 134 horsepower and 181 pound-feet. That's a 60% increase, representing a major engineering leap forward. The motor's electronic control integrates directly into the transmission housing, eliminating separate control units from older systems. This reduces wiring complexity by approximately 40%, meaning fewer failure points and significantly lower repair costs overall. The upgraded hydraulic system reduces required fluid from 3.1 liters to just 1.8 liters, meaning reduced drag loss and noticeably smoother gear changes throughout acceleration and deceleration. Number 6. Extended electric-only range. Current Wrangler 4e owners work with approximately 21 miles of electric-only range. The 2026 model pushes that capability to 31 miles. A nearly 50% improvement that transforms how the vehicle can be used daily. The new system maintains electric-only operation at speeds up to 74.5 miles per hour, allowing highway commutes without the gasoline engine. For owners with commutes under 30 miles, this effectively converts the Wrangler into a true electric vehicle during the work week. The battery management system has been completely redesigned from the ground up. Advanced thermal management controls maintain optimal battery temperature regardless of external conditions, whether navigating Arizona desert heat or Colorado mountain snow. This matters because extreme temperatures degrade battery performance significantly. The new system prevents that degradation with precision engineering excellence. The onboard charger supports faster level 2 charging rates, reducing charge time by approximately 30 minutes per cycle. Number 5. Refined suspension and steering calibration. The Wrangler has never been known for precise on-road behavior. Vague steering and highway wandering have been accepted trade-offs for off-road capability. Anyone driving a Wrangler on the interstate knows constant minor corrections are required to keep it tracking straight. It's exhausting on long trips. The 2026 model changes this with meaningful suspension and steering updates. Engineers recalibrated the steering system for more accurate on-center feel throughout every drive. The steering rack receives tighter tolerances and revised power steering programming, varying assist based on vehicle speed automatically. At parking speeds, the system maintains light maneuverability. At highway speeds, it firms up for stability and precision past Wranglers completely lacked. The suspension geometry is refined with updated components, reducing constant corrections during highway cruising. These changes cut driver fatigue without compromising articulation needed for serious off-road work. Damper tuning has been adjusted across the lineup, absorbing imperfections more effectively while maintaining controlled body motions necessary for confident handling on unpaved surfaces. Number 4. Enhanced off-road capability. Better on-road manners matter, but this vehicle was built for conquering trails. The 2026 Wrangler takes off-road capability even further than competitors. Dana 44 axles provide the structural foundation, delivering exceptional strength and articulation on challenging terrain. Electronic sway bar disconnects allow dramatic wheel travel when navigating obstacles. Rock-crawling gearing in the transfer case offers precise throttle control. Available 35-inch all-terrain tires increase ground clearance and traction on loose surfaces. Rubicon models offer locking front and rear differentials, maximizing traction reliably. The updated trail rail management system simplifies accessory mounting considerably. Anyone who's tried mounting a light bar or recovery gear on previous Wranglers knows drilling holes gets frustrating. This integrated system eliminates drilling holes completely, allowing owners to configure their Wrangler for specific adventures with secure mounting points that reconfigure as needs change seasonally. Number 3. Subtle exterior updates. Visual changes for 2026 remain modest. The 2026 Wrangler receives new color options, expanding customization possibilities. Gobi, a distinctive desert tan from the Gladiator lineup, joins the Wrangler palette. Tuscadero Pink returns permanently after proving surprisingly popular. The fundamental proportions and body lines carry over unchanged from previous generations. The 7-slot grille, round headlights, and removable doors remain defining characteristics connecting the 2026 model to decades of Wrangler heritage. Some see this as a missed opportunity for bolder change, while others recognize it as respect for design elements proven effective. Number 2. Interior refinement. The exterior may be conservative, but inside you'll find updates addressing the most common Wrangler complaint: cabin noise, making highway driving feel like a wind tunnel. The Wrangler cabin balances rugged functionality with modern convenience effectively. The dashboard features squared-off design with round air vents and chunky switchgear echoing utilitarian roots. A 12.3-inch touchscreen dominates the center stack, running Jeep's Uconnect 5 system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Sound insulation improves throughout the cabin substantially. Better door seals reduce wind noise, while insulation in the hardtop and wheel wells cuts road noise at highway speeds. Active noise cancellation uses the audio system to counteract unwanted frequencies, particularly low-frequency drone causing fatigue. 4-door variants offer 41.2 inches of front legroom and 38.3 inches of rear legroom comfortably. Cargo capacity measures 31.7 cubic feet behind rear seats, expanding to 72.4 cubic feet with seats folded flat. Number 1. Price increases continue. Economic realities push Wrangler prices upward steadily. The 2026 model brings increases remaining modest compared to direct competitors. Base sport models start around $33,785. Mid-range trims like Willys and Rubicon see similar percentage increases. Rubicon starts around $49,270. The Rubicon 392 returns at pricing around $96,000. The 4xe hybrid commands premiums of $6,000 to $8,000 over gas-powered trims, reflecting advanced powertrain costs. Improved efficiency and available tax incentives help offset initial investment substantially. Over typical ownership, reduced fuel costs recover substantial hybrid premiums paid upfront easily. The 2026 Wrangler represents a turning point, addressing weaknesses without compromising legendary off-road capability. The transmission delivers 60% more electric power impressively. Extended range transforms daily practicality completely. Refined steering makes highway trips less exhausting. Improved insulation creates a cabin worth inhabiting genuinely. Despite price increases and subtle exterior changes, fundamental drivability improvements make the 2026 the most well-rounded Wrangler ever produced successfully. Subscribe for detailed comparisons and latest automotive analysis videos today.